I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2012 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side outside mirror assembly. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat tip screwdriver, two different type door panel removers, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, dielectric grease, and some black electrical tape. Okay, first I'm going to be removing this plastic cover. Then I'm going to be removing this plastic covering. I'll remove this Phillips screw. Then I'm going to be removing the master switch. Be disconnecting the wires. Push this tab right in, pull this guy out. So we're going to be removing this plastic piece. So we're going to start from the bottom, pry it out. So there's two Phillips screws, one here and one there. We're going to be removing. Then we're going to be prying out the door panel. So we're going to be removing this electrical connector. Remove these 3 bolts. there's a little plastic retainer that we got to pop out over here. Okay, then we're going to be pushing this tab down and then taking out the mirror. Today I'm going to be replacing the driver's side outside mirror assembly. I'm going to be using this brand Keystone Platinum Plus. I'm going to be installing the mirror. And installing this retainer. Okay. So I'm going to be putting on some dielectric grease. Okay. And with some black tape, I'm just going to tape the wire to this plastic piece. So now we're going to put the door panel back on. Putting these screws in. Be putting on this plastic trim. Hook it on the top first and just snap it in. Putting this screw in here. And this plastic cover. And the master switch, but I'm going to be putting some dielectric grease right into the connector. Okay. Slide it in. And this plastic covering. So that's how you replace a driver's side outside mirror assembly. If this is the first time watching my video and you like it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.